Hello friends, back again for 12th standard. Welcome back to Dev Sir's Mathemagic. Hope your studies are going along well. Enjoying the videos? Okay, so आज क्या देखने वाले हो, क्या enjoy करने वाले हो, maths enjoy करने वाले हो. You are going to enjoy one problem from parametric functions derivatives. Okay. So let us see what this problem is all about. It is from exercise 1.4 question 2, last question, fifth question पूछा है. So let's see. So let's first observe what are parametric equations. अभी दोस्तों जब दो इक्वेशंस दिए x is equal to t plus 2 sin pi t and y is equal to 3t minus cos of pi t. There are two equations. One is of x, the other is of y. And there is a third variable t. Now this third variable t is called as the parameter. It is a variable, it is not a constant. It is called as the parameter. Okay. So these are called as parametric equations और हमेशा दो रहते हैं. One equation is of x, the other equation is of y. There are some other problems which we will deal with later on where the parameter is theta. For example, x is equal to 5 sin theta, y is equal to 8 cos theta. Again दो इक्वेशन आ गए, लेकिन वहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड पे थीटा पैरामीटर है, यहाँ पे t पैरामीटर है. Quite simple. So this is how you recognize two parametric equations, and from the two parametric equations we are supposed to find dy by dx. Okay. और एक पूछा उन्होंने at t equal to half. So this we'll see at last. The main thing is how to find dy by dx from two parametric equations. So this is called as the parametric formula. यहाँ पे hint में जो लिखा है dy by dx equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. सिंपल सा फॉर्मूला है, याद रखने के लिए. यहाँ पे अगर dt कैंसिल कर दिया, what do you get? dy by dx equal to dy by dx. That is how you remember the formula. Okay. So the formula says to find dy by dx we need to find dy by dt first, बाद में dx by dt, and then just substitute in this formula to get the final answer. Okay, quite interesting. So first of all I am going to find the numerator dy by dt. So which is the letter over here? Y. So consider the equation of y first. Better, there is no hard and fast rule. Consider the equation of y because I want to find out dy by dt first. So y की इक्वेशन मैंने लिख ली है. अभी उसके बाद dy by dt यानी क्या? dy by dt means d by dt everywhere. d by dt of y, 3 कांस्टेंट हमेशा अपना फेवरेट रूल, 3 कांस्टेंट बाहर रखो. d by dt of t, d by dt of cos of pi t. So that means d by dt meaning is we are differentiating y with respect to t. We are not finding out dy by dx. We are not taking d by dx of y like in the usual problems. We are taking d by dt of y because t is also a variable, parameter है. So सब जगह पे d by dt लिया means we are differentiating with respect to t. Followed up till here. Now let us see how to actually differentiate. ध्यान में रखो यहाँ पे sin x नहीं है, sin t मिलेगा. Then you will get something like sin of pi t or only t or 3t, right? So let us see now. So you got this. 3 को बाजू को रखा है. d by dt of t, derivative of t is 1, like d by dx of x is 1. Similarly d by dt of t is 1. Followed. minus sine. Derivative of cos x is minus sine x. So derivative of cos pi t is minus sine pi t. As simple as that. But what does the chain rule say? बहुत पहले हम लोग ने chain rule सीखा है. What does the chain rule say? After finding the derivative of cos, find the derivative of whatever is inside also. So after finding the derivative of cos as minus sine pi t into d by dt of pi t. Again d by dt everywhere. We are not considering d by dx at all in such problems. D by dt, derivative of pi t with respect to t. Followed? देखो, वापस देखो. So this is dy by dt. D by dt of y means dy by dt. 3 into 1 minus cos का डेरिवेटिव minus sin pi t into d by dt of pi t. Simple chain rule. No rocket science. Simple है. So 3 into 1 is 3. Minus of minus is plus. Sin pi t. अभी दोस्तों, how will you find out derivative of pi t? Do it orally. Pi constant बाजू को रखो. d by dt of t, 11 standard stuff. Pi constant बाजू को रखो. d by dt of t. Now derivative of t is 1. So keeping pi constant aside, derivative of t is 1. That is what I get over here. This you can have done orally. Now supposing if this t was not there, then derivative of only pi, only constant is 0. Okay, but pi is there along with t. That is the reason that I have written all this. So what do I finally get? I get this value of dy by dt 3 plus pi sin pi t. ओके, ये जो पाई है सामने लिया है. 3 plus pi sin pi t. Okay, that is what we get. We have found out dy by dt now. Now let us go for dx by dt. dx by dt फाइंड आउट करने के बाद ही dy by dx मिलने वाला है. तो अभी dx by dt के लिए कंसिडर द इक्वेशन ऑफ x नाउ. यहाँ पे x वेरिएबल, राइट हैंड साइड पे t, तो राइट हैंड साइड पे t है, यानी अगेन डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t. वॉट एवर इज ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड वी डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट वेरिएबल. सो डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t मीन्स अगेन d by dt एवरीवेयर. सो d by dt of x, d by dt of t. Two constant, keep it aside. d by dt of sin pi t. Sin of pi into t. I have considered this equation. Okay. So let's see. d by dt of x is dx by dt. d by dt of t is 1. टू कांस्टेंट बाजू को रखा है. सेम रूल, d by dt of sin is cos pi t. Cos of pi into t, and then बोलो अभी d by dt of pi t. d by dt of pi into t. Again I explained in the earlier case. Okay, so derivative of sin is cos, जो कुछ सामने है, और वापस इसका डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t. चेन रूल. So let's see now. dx by dt, one plus टू cos पाई इंटू टी, और अभी जहां पे मैंने रब किया वहां पे दिखाया था डेरिवेटिव ऑफ पाई टी, पाई कांस्टेंट बाजू को रखो, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ टी इज 1, सो डी बाई डी टी ऑफ पाई टी इज पाई इंटू 1 लाइक वी डिड इन द अर्लियर केस, पाई इंटू 1. Again let us write this properly. अभी क्या करेंगे, like in the earlier case, I'll bring this pi over here in front. So 2 pi cos of pi t, that is our dx by dt. So dx by dt भी हो गया भैया. अभी dy by dx, this is called as parametric formula. Okay, so using that parametric formula, let us write that. Just substitute the values, substitute the answers. dy by dt का आंसर क्या आ गया यहाँ का? थ्री प्लस पाई साइन पाई टी. What is the answer for dx by dt? dx by dt answer is this. This is our answer for dy by dx. See if you can take anything common from here. No, there is nothing common. Keep the answer as it is, only dy by dx. लेकिन क्या पूछा है? We are asked dy by dx at t equal to half. बाद में थोड़ा simplify करना है. So finally dy by dx at t equal to half. So what does this mean? dy by dx at t equal to half means they are just telling put t equal to half. That's all. जो dy by dx का आंसर आया है वहां पे t की वैल्यू हाफ ऐसी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. यहाँ पे t is only over here, so I have taken pi into half. Followed? Quite simple. Now I'm just going to simplify over here, right? देखो, what is pi into half? Pi into half is pi into 1 is pi upon 2. वापस देखो, pi into half क्या है? Pi into 1 is pi divided by 2. What is pi into half? Again pi by 2. So pi into half is pi by 2. मैं यहाँ पे change कर देता हूँ so that we can save some space. Followed? Pi into half. Pi into half gives you pi by 2. Again pi by 2. So what do I get as the answer? Sin pi by 2, sin 90 is 1 as we know. Cos 90 is 0. So 3 plus pi, 2 pi into 0 is 0. 3 plus pi upon 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So final answer is 3 plus pi. Right? Supposing only dy by dx is asked, stop over here. But dy by dx at t equal to something or theta equal to something depending on the parameter. If something else is asked, सिर्फ वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो और साइन पाई बाय 2 कॉस पाई बाय 2 की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद यू गेट द आंसर. इंटरेस्टिंग सम है ना. ओके, सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ पैरामेट्रिक फंक्शंस. ओके, प्रैक्टिस करो एक बार विदाउट सीइंग, सी इफ यू कैन सॉल्व इट. देयर आर मेनी सच सम्स पैरामेट्रिक के. देयर आर सम फ्रॉम इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक ऑल्सो. डोंट वरी, आई विल बी देयर थ्रू आउट द ईयर विथ यू. सिर्फ You also be free and ask me whatever. कौन सा भी वीडियो बनाना है तो पूछो मुझे of one particular aspect or two particular aspects. Okay, that will be all for today. Good night from here. Bye.